Lesson 3. Changing backgrounds and scenes in Scratch. Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to make a story more dynamic by changing backgrounds in Scratch. Changing scenes can help set the mood for each part of your story and make your animations more engaging. Let's start by exploring the Backgrounds tab. In Scratch, the backgrounds are like the settings or scenes where your story takes place. You can change them to match the theme of your project or to show different locations as your story unfolds. To add a background, go to the Backgrounds tab and click Choose a Backdrop. Here, you'll find a variety of options: forests, beaches, cities, and more. For this example, let's pick a forest to start our story. Now, let's add another background to create a scene change. Suppose our character is walking through the forest and eventually arrives at the beach. We can add a beach background to represent the new location in our story. To make this change happen automatically, we'll use the Switch Backdrop block from the Looks category. This block allows us to change the background at any point in our animation. You can place this block in your code to trigger a background change when certain actions occur. For example, when the character reaches the edge of the screen. Let's set it up so that when we press the green flag, the story begins with our character in the forest. After a few seconds, we can use the Switch Backdrop to Beach block to make our character appear at the beach, creating the effect of a journey. And there you have it. By using different backdrops, we've created a story where our character moves from one scene to another. This technique helps bring your stories to life, making them more interesting and visually engaging. Now it's your turn to try. Experiment with different backgrounds, create new scenes, and take your character on an adventure. With Scratch, the possibilities for storytelling are endless. If you'd like to see your project featured on our social media channels, simply send it to support@01.education. We'd be thrilled to share it with our community. Plus, the project that garners the most likes will win an exciting prize. Thank you for watching this tutorial. For more resources, follow us on our social media platforms.